Good day, everybody, welcome to today's short video. In today's short video is a question I sometimes get asked, and I'm going to show you how to remove pinion races easy. So this is a Ford 8.8, and on both sides you can see it's got like a little indentation there, and then on the opposite side it's got the same thing. So you want to take your punch, you want to start tapping on one side, you want to start tapping on the other side. You can't just tap on one side because you're going to get it cockeyed and get it jammed. So you got to keep working it back and forth. And I'm going to show you. Alright, for this you're probably going to need a pretty solid hammer. So I can already feel it start to budge. A couple more hits. Yeah, she's coming. She's going to come out right away. Right away. There we go, she came out. There we are, the first race is out. So now I got the axle flipped around, and hopefully you can see those little notches I was talking about, and it's the same for down there for the other pinion race you gotta beat out. Gonna need a long punch for that. Same thing, start on one end, have it fall off the jack stands, and we're out. There you have it, both races are out. Now I can continue rebuilding this axle, stripping it down. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be other videos, of course, on how to get the races back in because they are an interference fit. So I'll show you some tips and tricks that I use for that. And if you have any other tips and tricks that you use to get the races out, please leave them in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next video.